Hello, good morning, guys. So, I just finished leveling our blue tea production. This is made by Mami Mila. Mami Mila is the one who grind and put in tea bags, and I am the one picking it up, cleaning it, and leveling when it is already processed. Okay, that's how our blue tea looks like when inside already on tea bags. Okay, the benefits you can get from this product is it's controlling your high blood pressure. Okay, so somebody who got you know high blood pressure. I am the living testimony that I am using this product. Okay, and I never take any synthetic medicine, which I am so scared of the effect someday. So I am in favor to take uh, herbal prevention, and blue tea is the first choice for hypertension. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please subscribe, likes, and share my video on my channel Nita B. Morales Vlog. Okay, good morning.